Norton is a global leader in consumer cybersafety. With decades of experience in consumer cybersecurity and identity theft protection, Norton and LifeLock are popular search terms. Terms related to our brands, along with support and support phone number, also come up frequently when customers are looking for help with their products or services. Unfortunately, there are many companies not associated with Norton or LifeLock who may appear to be providing official support, but aren't authorized to do so. These fraudulent companies will claim to offer support services on behalf of Norton LifeLock in order to scam you. They don't just stop with tech support scams, they could steal your personal information and money through phishing, targeted advertising, even cold calling. Because of this, it is important to be vigilant. Make sure to double-check the web address you're visiting. To confirm you're contacting our official support team, make sure the website address displayed is support.norton.com. Those exact words, in that exact order. Anything else is not official support. Third-party companies that offer support services, or claim to do so, usually charge a fee. Our official support comes with your subscription, at no additional cost, which is another important reason to make sure you're in the right place. More than 50 million members and customers in more than 60 countries trust us with their personal information. We're dedicated to making it easy for them to keep their connected lives safer, while helping to secure their devices, online privacy, identity, and home and family needs. So, when you need official support from our team, make sure that you get it from an authorized member services and support agent. For more information, go to support.norton.com.